Hello, my adventurers. We're going on an adventure today up to Denise's house in Lithonia. Remember last year I did a video with this thumbnail about her growing tropical fruits in Georgia. She had just sent me pictures and videos. This time I get to visit her with myself, Eula, and her husband up there in Lithonia. These are some of the fruit that she grows. We really just walked and talked and looked at stuff that Denise is growing. So enjoy.
And how the rest.
Yeah, so yeah, I understand.
But every time it bears so much and none of them is good.
I mean, like, oh, you grown this with strings, pulling it
I told my
down.
husband one day when you get the chance to help
Chop,
me open those.
you might have to chop that up there.
Probably. Yeah, they tend to grow straight up.
Yeah, it gone way up. Asian pear. These are Asian pear. And these are Asian. This one is also Asian pear.
And you know what's at the roots?
Yeah, I know what I'm thinking. This is, I don't know what this is.
Comfrey.
I was gonna say that, but I've never really noticed comfrey. But you chop it off every now and again and drop it back in the soil.
Yeah, because
That's what they say. It's good for the soil. It's very good for the soil.
Because there was one little plant about them, right?
Got flowers at the root of the pear tree.
But they gotta watch it out. Because when I plant,
He'll dig it out.
no, when I planted, he sit down in the shade and watch me all day. He come and check it out.
Oh, okay, yes. And this is another pear.
This is peach.
Oh, this is peach.
I'll get Japanese beetle in the summer.
Man, we get so much bugs, Oh, man.
But what I do, I put the Japanese beetle bag with the trap
Yeah.
in the bushes, so I trap them out.
I saw a man doing that, You know the same guy, what's his name? You know that guy you say you watch him sometime? Broke Farm. Oh my God, that is funny. Broke Farmer is funny. Yeah.
It's a peach, yeah.
Oh, see some little peaches. Oh, they're cute. Yeah. They're all over. There's a lot.
All over.
Some of them gonna fall off, I guess, but as long as you get a good. Oh, here's some other one. Yes. They say when the trees bare, they don't keep everything.
Yeah, no.
So some things fall off and the other ones fall.
Some we're gonna get bigger, then I start bagging it like that.
Yes, it cannot maintain. Huh? Yeah, she have a lot of trees. A lot of fruit trees. Lots of fruit trees are over here. Yeah.
Yeah. What I did was the extras, I juiced it. I juiced it, freeze it so when he came home, he had all peach juices and water.
Oh, here's some peach on this one too. They all have peaches on them. Look at these young peaches.
I have them like that.
This is my friend Denise yard and her fruit trees. We're visiting. Eula and myself is visiting Denise's yard. And oh, look at this one. Oh my. They're all bagged up. Yes. Lots of fruit trees.
Lots of plum from your tree.
Well, she say your plum tree. Your plum tree is big.
These are like 3
Bear
years
a
old.
lot.
Okay.
They cut theirs back last year.
Yeah. Okay.
So we'll see.
There's so much we give them away to everybody.
Yeah. Well, that's what you do. That's what you do.
Juice it, put it in the juicer.
And you can freeze it too, and then you juice it. More comfrey. Very good to
You
plant.
see the flowers attract.
So wait, let me ask you, the comfrey bloom? I didn't know that. I had no idea. I need to get a comfrey plant.
They say you can use it as a make a salve with it. So I boil it for hours and artists began YouTube where I boil it, take off the leaf, let it dry, put it in a pot of olive oil like a crock pot, and then let it boil for like 24 hours, and then 24 hours? I just leave the crock pot.
Well, if it's a crock pot, I guess you can leave it. It's a lot of gas.
And beeswax in it, and melt it, and then when you cool it, it's almost like a cocoa butter cream.
Right, I get it.
I see you passing this and don't recognize this one.
What? Hold on, me see one blue something on here. So, it's rainwater you catch back there?
Yeah.
I know. I'm very interested in those things.
Look at that one. They're all over. You gotta look good to find it.
What is it?
Persimmon.
Oh, I feel like faint. I love persimmons.
One time I bought one
Had no
from,
idea this is what it looked
Amazon,
like.
and when it came, it was just root.
Persimmons
And I
blossom.
saw
Look
it
at
was
that.
root. I'm sure it was. Somebody said,
You never know. Maybe it was still
then somebody
good.
said you should have put it, soak
gotta
it and
look
Put more
fry it.
persimmons blossom up
I
there.
didn't
Lots of
know.
blossom. And the persimmons
just
tree.
throw it away.
Yeah, this is another one. Yeah, very good.
I think they're mostly on the back of the
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm glad. What? Look at these trees. Oh my God.
You
Look
up on it, I
at
was
this
just looking at
tree.
you.
Man, this is a giant of a tree. But a good thing it's all the way up there.
All of those trees over here too.
You cut them down.
Oh my God, here's another one. These are some big timber. Somebody need to come and reap these trees
I
here.
know. Come and get it.
Is it forest over there? Somebody, you think
There's
another
another
house?
neighborhood behind it.
Ah,
there's a
so this
creek
belong to people.
between us and the other neighborhood.
If you don't mind, shop, this is government land.
It is.
Okay, see, I was thinking.
A lot of lumber there.
So nobody
Yeah.
will ever live there.
Yeah.
Lots of trees. Oh, look at all those trees. Lumber trees here. Look, come and get them. Look at that one. No, we don't know if it's free. They have to pay, of course. But these trees get so big. These two are competing. Look at this one is competing. Oh my God.
She said she had to take her head off. It's well up to look up.
Yeah, I understand.
There's some building up there to the next one.
New York have high buildings.
My husband built a greenhouse. So it's, that one I'm trying to take the plastic
So
off.
this is what she have, with the triangle. This is like a triangular greenhouse. She just have three
I'm
sides.
trying to take the plastic off because it's too hot.
For the summer, I
For
know.
the summer.
Yes.
So he's supposed to come and help me, but he hasn't gotten a chance yet.
Okay.
So I kind of pull
So
it
if
out.
you just lift the plastic off the ground, they have a thing where they roll up the plastic from the ground. You see
He
that,
and I,
right?
we're going to have to do one down here and one at the top of the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I did it by myself just to...
Me know, you don't have to tell me, my love.
My
I
son was
know.
out here yesterday helping me pulling out some citrus. So I needed them to get out. So we just pull it out.
Oh, this go way back. I thought it was a little thing.
In the
Oh my God, look at the mango.
time.
Are you? Oh, go ahead. Oh my God, look in here. Mango tree with blossoms. Oh my God, look at the mint. Look at the mint. Oh, it gets so big. Mint, peppermint, real Jamaican peppermint. I got to go closer. It's hot in here, but yeah, real job. Now this is what I got to do a different video for this. Peppermint, guys, peppermint. See with the fine leaf. All them other mint is all kind of other mint. They have black mint. They got this. This is the real Jamaican peppermint. Look, and it's in a pot. Look. Real Jamaican peppermint. And look how it's spread. Oh, she have 2 pots. Oh, so you have 2 pots now. So some people have this and they say it's peppermint. We used to call this black mint.
Yeah.
This is lemon balm. This is lemon balm. I have it too. Yeah, this is lemon balm. Oh, let me see a fruit on the ground.
Watch your head on the...
Ooh, Lord. Ooh, what?
The pineapple.
A jimble in that? Oh no. Wait, what is this thing? We used to have this up and we used to burst them. Okay, we used to do poop. You never used to burst them.
That's
We used to
leaf
poop.
of life and it blossom.
Yes, and the seeds are in here, you know.
Leaf of life blossom.
Yes, the seeds are inside here.
there.
We used to burst them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's too funny.
Pineapple.
She have a big leaf of life tree right there. And look, you got pineapple.
And this is lemongrass.
Lemon balm. I have lemon balm. I can't get you lemon balm. I have a lot. And it comes back every year. You don't have to, you can put it outside. The lemon balm. I have a whole lot at my yard.
There's some seed blowing there and grow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, look at your head.
Mango blossom.
Well, those not going to produce anything. And this is potato. Yeah, that's potato.
The red?
White.
White. Yeah, I have some red one plant.
You see that pomegranate.
Oh,
I didn't
okay.
plant it. The seed was in there just because I dumped stuff.
Yeah.
And it started growing. I said, okay,
Exactly.
yeah,
That's what happens when you dump your stuff on the peeling skin or whatever it is.
And whenever it rains,
Seeds. So that means the
whenever it rain, I
seed.
get those barrels and set it along
Yes,
here.
she have
And catch
water.
rainwater.
She catch.
Yeah.
But yes, what we're saying, you don't need something
Yeah,
big at the
bigger,
side because they
yeah,
catch
more.
rainwater in some small. I say you need something big to catch rainwater.
I really
Because
thought
rainwater.
This is fig.
these
Yes.
are figs, and I cut it down real low this year because it was too big.
Yes.
So I'm letting it spring back up. But I want these are the white color fig when they ripe. I wanted a different type, so I don't have decided where to
Yeah,
plant.
she have figs too.
Yeah, I have the green and the purple looking.
Dark color.
Yeah, I mean,
Some more comfrey again.
yeah. And
These
lemon
two are apple
balm.
trees.
So you say the lemon balm. You will take up your place and spread it now.
Yeah, I have
Is that
one
better to
into a
put-
container.
Oh, okay.
So I put the container on the brick because I don't want to put it on the dirt.
Yeah, more
Take up the whole place.
But you know these need more sun. They not like the
It's sunny back
shade.
here all day.
Oh, it's
So
at the
it's-
evening.
Like the
Okay.
sun is up there. It's moving, the sun moving away.
More
It's sunny all day.
comfy.
It's sunny
I guess it's
till
to have
about 10
comfort
o'clock in
all
the
over
morning
your
until
yard.
about the last hour.
This is what size grow bag is this?
Like 20 gallon. The one there is 20.
Because I just got
Some of these
some
might be
today and it's
10. Yeah, she got.
Big.
We did a lot of planting today. Well, the interest, she had grow bag, but she never have a big one, so she bought some 10 gallon, one for potato, you know, with the thing on the side. That is like 20, 25.
25.
Yeah, I think it's 25. They have them on Amazon. Everything is on Amazon. We're not advertising. That's too funny.
I like these too. One time we have a tie and then I put some stuff in it, and one day I went outside, there was water, they go, oh, looking up, and big snakes looking up.
Oh, Lord.
I ran so fast.
Yeah, me know. Me catch a couple snake in my yard last year. Couple
What
snake.
you do with the tire? I think you should
I have
have
some
tire. But we should cut it.
Hey, look at that now. This is onion.
That's onion too.
But look at the onion growing on top. You know that I never get
That's how
onion.
it come up.
And I think I need to take off some of the dirt off of mine. Because it's supposed to be on
I
top.
just plant some. I want just
Yeah, I
that come
barely
out.
planted deep. I didn't plant it deep.
That's what they say. But I don't plant mine deep either. So I hope I will get.
Yeah.
Hope I'll get more nice tomato trees and the onion. All of this is onion or some of it is kelp? Yeah, they look like they're gonna do good. And you had onion before because I saw you show me onion. She grew onion. Yeah, she grew onions last year and showed it to me.
No, they're tangerines.
I tell you, she have grapefruit. She got tangerine.
Out or you put it out?
They were all in the greenhouse and they just come out.
Yes, yes,
I'm moving
yes,
stuff out, so
yes,
you
yes,
can come
yes.
up with stuff.
But look at that tree. It's not that big.
Oh, that one in the middle is a key lime.
Yes, yes. You say you plant key lime on it there. But look at
And
that.
this is, who can guess what that is?
Which one?
These little green leaves coming up.
A fever grass, right?
Sugarcane.
Sugarcane, that's
Oh, why some one of them so small and just
Because they're
plant?
just coming up for the...
Yes, for this yes, because
Last
they
year
dried
they were
down.
tall like the apple tree.
Wait.
Oh yeah, we had so much sugar cane.
I had sugar cane in a pot.
I only had 2 roots.
We could have cut it and we never did and we leave
I
it.
got about maybe 30 sugar canes from the 2 roots.
Yes, that's how it
we
is.
did
That's how it
plant some
is.
and they didn't survive.
Plant some. I
It
don't know
don't survive the winter though. You gotta eat it when winter comes.
But listen, I left mine outside and you know it survived on
Yeah.
February. It was in the greenhouse. It was in the little greenhouse.
Okay.
And I took it out too early, I think. Because I took it out February and it had like 4 joints. I could have cut it.
No, these had.
And then it died.
In the supermarket.
So what you do? You keep it in the greenhouse and then
Yeah.
you put it on.
Oh yes,
like
yes,
that little
yes,
thing
yes.
right there.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
had like 6 in there and I took 3 on plant here and I had all of those little cups I had and I had them in the greenhouse.
Yes.
And then I'm bringing them out now because it's getting warm and planting them.
Yeah.
This one is what? This tree.
They're all tangerine.
All tangerine.
They're all in the greenhouse. So
These are tangerine and this is a lime.
The one in the middle is a lime.
Lime. And this
All
is
4 are tangerine.
what's this? Tangerine?
Yeah, all 4 of them are.
Oh
Don't
yeah.
watch the
I
book
don't want a
because-
little long plant. Okay. Oh, I must leave me a look plant.
Yes.
Me think a plant. Me think oh the leaf me a look plant. Me zoom in and realize me was look. Yeah, this look like
Okay, now she's smelling.
Yeah.
oh it's a leaf.
Oh my word. Yes.
Oh this a young one. Don't
Yeah, this
oh,
one
yeah,
on
see
it.
them here. I just noticed them.
Yeah.
You know me have blind can't see good.
This is a orange. Yeah, that's cara orange.
Nectarine. Imagine that.
I just do it
And
once,
this is
twice
the
a year.
strawberries. These strawberries look so healthy.
So you
So
water it in
healthy.
the winter time, you have to then go water or
I
no?
do, but not often.
You know, I put out off when it's winter
Because
because
that's where it's
they
coming
keep
from.
cool.
What's coming from over there?
These citrus are coming from over there.
Oh really?
Yeah, in the greenhouse. I tell you, she was saying she can't, you know,
It's
have
under
some of these
construction
things.
right now. Because the
Yes.
plastics were all tough.
Yes,
It
yes.
was tight. And they only
Where's the grapefruit?
up here.
Yeah, because I remember you had big
There's
grapefruit.
the grapefruit tree. There's a baby on it now.
Yeah. She eat big grapefruit. She eat
Look
pineapple.
at the stuff.
She eat some of the biggest
And
stuff.
that's a cherry tree, but it's a I can't remember the type of cherry it's called. It's an American cherry. It has like 6 or 7 corners.
What grapefruit? Miss? You said
All of
grape-
these are blossom.
Oh, blossoms. Yeah,
Not
lots of
blossom, baby grapefruit.
Yes, they turn baby. Yes, listen, we go up with lots of grapefruit in my yard, you know.
So-
So there are about 5 grapefruit trees
About
around the
December,
yard.
they'll start ripening.
So yes.
You use a miracle. I never see this one here.
That's at Costco.
Oh, Costco. Okay, okay.
And to me, it works out better than getting those bags at Lowe's.
Yeah.
Because that big bag is
She
like
find some 2 cubic foot for $2 the other day. You can't beat
Oh
that.
yeah, I know those at Lowe's
Yeah.
and Home Depot.
Yeah,
Every
then
year they
that's-
have them.
$2. I couldn't
But this
believe.
is like $8.
Yeah, but that's still a good price. It's big. That's how much at? About 4 cubic foot.
I was trying to
I like
compare
to look at the cubic foot, and I work it out
It's
to
50
gallon.
watts.
See, it's
Yes, it's
breaking
about-
off of the thing there.
Eh? Me?
That thing.
Ain't a breaker.
Oh,
Just something like that. I don't know why they put it on it.
okay.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yep. All these fruit right up here in Georgia.
Just beautiful.
Yep. All these fruit trees. Oh, they're still in there? Oh, they still have more in there?
Coming out.
Okay.
Yeah, all I'm doing is just take the plastic off.
Yes, yes, yes.
The construction.
You see what I tell you? You see what I tell you? You see that place you put on around the back
They
there?
live in Florida.
That place you put on around the back
Yes.
there, you could have just back it on with one of this, you know.
Yeah.
And have your plants them right out there because they have a
This one is a
backboard.
tangerine.
Oh man, look
It
how
tastes
blossom.
just like the tangerine.
Look
from
how
here.
much blossom. Me have to go zoom in on this. Look how much blossom on this tangerine tree.
And this is the Miwa kumquat.
Yes, I talk about oh my, you don't have to go crazy. Don't go crazy. It's alright. Simple thing like this. You could use wood and make this, or you buy this, but you could use wood, you know, and make something and do a triangular thing. And look, the breeze don't shake it at all, and you know it can get windy.
Gorgeous.
That's the thing about Georgia, lots of wind. Oh,
That's
look
a,
at this.
That's a lime. You know that lemon? You can't eat it like an orange.
Oh, it get big?
No.
Oh, you just
big
peel it
like
with
an
your
orange,
hand?
I just peg it and eat it. It's
What they
it's
call
not
it?
Sour. I'm trying to figure if
it's
the
a-
name of that and it is right.
There's
It's
something
supposed to be a
here.
Persian lime
Excuse
or
me?
something.
Persian lime.
The tag is the name is
Yeah,
gone.
it's gone because it will after all the
There's
years.
something
See another
growing
one here?
somewhere.
Another lime?
This one,
This
yeah,
is
this
a
one
lime
is different.
growing here.
Yeah, that's the striped lime with the 2 colors,
Yeah.
variegated. My cherry tree that.
What is that died? Oh, okay, okay.
My cherry tree, it's like
Oh, I love
What's
this.
that?
Me have one of this.
Yeah.
It not die. This stay outside, you know. This survive winter.
okay.
Yeah,
all the
yeah.
time.
I
I need
have
to
keep
take
this
it out then.
outside.
I'll
yeah.
take out piece
You
of
can
it and
leave this
plant it.
out.
You understand?
You know why?
Yeah.
I was
four-
babying
four-
it because every year I plant it, it always die.
Yeah.
So
I have
Man,
mine
you know
for
what
the
I do?
longest
Put it
time
all on my pillow.
outside.
Break piece, put it all on my pillowcase.
Yeah.
I love to
one of my
smell
neighbors
it.
says it's good for your hair.
Oh, I didn't know that. A lot of things good for a lot of things. You just don't eat it. Yeah, look. Look at that lime. And this is April. That means the lime was bearing all December. November, December come right up into January. And there it
The
is.
babies them here for it.
Yes. Blossoms. Lots of blossom and lots of babies.
Beautiful.
Yeah, man. Yeah, just a little effort sometimes. And you guys can achieve this. Anybody can achieve this. Thank you very much, Denise.
We have so much citrus.
I'm glad I finally
Your
got here.
garden. I appreciate your garden. My
This is the
goodness.
only door. Look, hubby built me a door. Because this was all tucked in.
Yeah.
Yes.
He built me a
you
door.
build
That
a
was my
little door.
entrance.
You can do that.
Oh, winter.
He got work to do, don't you?
Look up there. There's pineapple up there on the top on the deck.
Oh,
But you put it inside though.
It was in the greenhouse.
Oh, okay.
But I put it up there because I heard, I haven't experienced it. The animals smell it before ripe, which is true.
It's
The
possible.
dog will smell it.
I don't know about the dog. The dog would eat it though.
He won't eat it, but I'll see him sniffing.
You smell it.
2-3 days.
The
it start
smell
to
it
turn
way
color.
off. The real good one, you smell it way off.
Somebody
We used
said
to have them.
Wild animal will sniff it and bite it, so I can keep them up there.
Listen,
yeah.
it's very possible that when we talk about the tail, the one with the striped tail, let me say, and you say, opossum, the other one.
Oh, the raccoon.
The raccoon will go up there and eat it.
Well, they're not
They eat
come
my
up here.
pumpkin. You don't know where them climbing up.
down there.
Raccoon
I just
climb.
have squirrel until I have a dog because
Good.
he pen them in here.
Well, they eat my bird food all the time. They don't stop eating my bird food.
I've got to had all those trees, so that was a root that was in the rock. So I put sand there. But him think it's a beach. I had to pin it down.
You need to take him to the beach.
He's going to lay there and then bring him
You guys want to go on camera? You okay, Daddy?
I'm not a camera person.
You don't have to be a camera person. I talk about you all the time on my channel, so I'm going to show them you. You mind?
As long as
That's
it's
a
show
gift.
half, because we're not just...
Listen, you're in the backyard, I will come visit you. Listen, we're not sure, we're not hide you. You are who you are, who I am. And this is Denise. All along, you guys hear me talk about Denise and all our fruit trees in Georgia. This is Denise, and we've been looking at her orchard, because that's what I want to call this. Her orchard, because all around the yard, she has plants, fruit trees of all kinds that you can think
Bunny
of.
pepper.
Yes, you know, she has to have the scotch bonnet, you know. She got to have the scotchy.
It's colored green.
Oh, no, it's broccoli that didn't take it down yet.
Oh, yeah?
Broccoli.
Yes, these leaves are big.
These are
These are
big.
huge.
You know what I
Here's
use?
something funny.
You know that Flora Grow or something, those liquid thing? When you
Yes,
guys
which-
used to talk about it, the red one, the green one.
Oh, she have it.
You want
Yeah.
you want to hear
It's
something funny?
general hydroponics.
That's what when I start. That's what I give them.
That's what they give it.
Because I start one inside.
Let me stop using it now. I'm going to go back to use it.
You want to hear something funny?
I probably use today. She have it. Listen, she have them there and then hardly use and we mix them together and put for the plant.
There we were.
Listen, yes, in New Jersey, right?
General hydroponics, the
plant,
tree mix. You mix the three of them and you,
plant
I think it's a
broccoli.
teaspoon per gallon for each. Each is a teaspoon per gallon. I just stopped the video here for a second to show you the hydroponic liquid we're talking about that we use, that Denise used in her, to grow her plants. All right? I'll put a link in the description. Now back to the chatting. And look at these pepper leaves. Look at this. These are huge.
Leave and cook them.
I'm going to change from the something we have because mine them not big so.
To eat off the leaf.
Mine them not big so. Me have to take a double look.
No, but this person I say it's broccoli plant. I say, no, it's colored green.
So it's not-
They sell me colored green.
I did
for
an
broccoli.
experiment this winter. I didn't put these two inside the
Well, you have a lot of
to see what will happen.
Is this onion or scallion?
Scallion.
Yeah, then it's onion too.
No, it's all scallion.
Scallion. No wonder how
It's
much
all onion.
look, onion. Yes, because me see the boy got
Guess
the
what? That's
root.
all colorless sucker coming up, and I feel bad.
This is garlic. This
Yeah,
is
that's the elephant-
this is
that's
elephant garlic. Me know I have some. They're big.
This is so
Hopefully, and look, she planted in the block.
It's supposed to form a head
She
somewhere.
plant in the block. You don't need a lot of space. She plant within the blocks. Look, she plant this in the blocks, and these are elephant garlic. Look at that. You know this is a whole new video on your farm. You want to have a whole new video to upload. After that.
yes, of
Look,
course.
look,
Nice.
she have so much onion. She have a whole lot of onion on the other side. And look over here. This is all onion. You know, little
Last year I had
backyard.
this whole thing with onions.
Man, you
And
need
I'm
a
still
farm,
onion from
girl.
last year.
I need a farm. You need a farm.
Nice. You see what?
And look up, you see,
when you save.
pineapple.
Yes.
What's this?
This is what is again?
Spinach.
Spinach. I was gonna say.
And
Yeah,
I've
this is
picked from it like
spinach.
4 times.
Let's zoom in on the
Pick
spinach.
again.
See, these spinach leaves are so big. Look at that.
No, I didn't buy no
Look
spinach.
at that.
But you could eat those.
Yeah,
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 a lot
yeah.
of people say you can eat the leaf.
Yes.
That is a broccoli you cut
Well,
out.
I know
You know it will
for
spring
sure.
again.
That's why I'm waiting for. That's why I didn't cut it down.
It will spring again. What you can do is pick out some of the bottom leaves. Cause
You don't have
it's
no bottom
feeding.
leaf?
Like some of those down there. So. so that it can get the energy.
This whole area, that whole area was covered with broccoli this winter. I
Yeah,
have so much.
yeah, I plant broccoli already,
Got maybe
and
about 20 broccoli.
but when you cut off some of this now, it give it impetus to shoot out more stuff up the top, and it not feeding everything that you see there. You understand? It's not feeding, it's not giving energy to all the leaves. And you can throw the
So
cryo.
we're planting corn here.
Yes.
So I'll plant some corn in the pot over there. But I like to stagger that. I don't like to plant them all at once.
At one
So
place.
there's a few.
Some will do better and some.
Yeah, I plant some corn over the house.
So the broccoli, this is broccoli
That's
too?
broccoli flowers.
So now you go broccoli seed. That's the
Yeah, I don't
and they might drop and go right
The
here.
seed or they just let them drop
Oh,
there.
I usually pick it when they start drying.
Okay.
Yeah, you got to, because you're not gonna have any. There's some oh, I eat it again. There's something that eat it. I can't remember because I had some not broccoli seed, but what is that thing name? I think they
This
send you
is
some
something
seed
I do every
before.
year. I don't buy too much tomato. Like you see, I only have 4 plants on there. And when they send in suckers,
Yes, you cut it and replant.
I replant.
Yeah, some people don't realize that you can just
all of
when
these,
all
I'm
the
gonna plant those.
my father used to call them and I looked it up. Me talk about see the tree. Oh no, I thought it was a tree. Yes, my father used to call them gamandizer.
Oh, okay, I hear you talk about it.
And I look it up, and gamandizer is something that's sucked from somebody. It's like you call a
a
person with exactly. So he was right in his knowledge. He wasn't, he didn't do well in school, but he knew. He obviously heard it somewhere and used to use. Watch him eating the grass.
No, play with it.
Oh, it come like him a bite. Sometimes it's good for them.
It help you weed.
I did weed already. I think I do
Some
something
tree
already.
fall down, I can find enough.
Oh my God! So you have a little cup them with a little. Yes, you just break off the tomato, the gamandizer and plant them again. How much time I do that?
Yeah,
You
I
don't
think
need.
after the summer
You just buy the tomato seeds that you want.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Because those are going to plant down there.
Yeah. And that gets sun right through the day. It look like into the evening. Oh, you good. You're doing well with all these big trees here. Man, me have to look on the tree again. So way up the hill, we can look at them again.
Oh, nice.
Look at these trees.
Becky gonna go inside.
Huge trees. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And I don't even know what kind of tree, but whatever they are, the timber.
A palm tree.
Pine tree.
Pine, all of these are pine.
Some of them, the one with the brown thing on it.
They're so big. Yes, you're right. They drop in your yard, don't it? All the cone, they drop in your yard. Yeah. So you
See some
know
down
that.
there.
Yeah.
Spec, get inside.
Wait, name again?
Solar panel.
Solar panel. So, you can just get a few. You don't have to have a lot. Denise, our husband, is our 4th child. You hear that? Yeah, so this is Denise, some of Denise flowers. Look at this. It is so beautiful. Well manicured. Very nice. Look at it. So pretty, so cute. It come like a chair. Look, it come like a chair. It's like a seat. Yeah, but look at these roses here. Really beautiful roses. Healthy, nice. This clay soil in Georgia is something else. It produces a lot of good, pretty flowers and plants. More roses, beautiful, right at the front of the house. Beautiful roses and well manicured trees and well manicured lawn. And lots of flowers everywhere. And trees. Pomegranate over there, pomegranate over there. Very nice. Oh look, you have a cat. I didn't see the cat. Hello, cat. Hello. Where you going? Where you going, catty? These are iris, very nice lavender iris, really pretty. And it matches these lavender plants right here. These little lavender plants along here, along the walkway. Very nice. And those are more roses. It's like 5 or 6 roses right around the house. Very nice. Very nice, really pretty. If you've watched this far, I want to tell you thanks very much for watching my content, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like this, please don't forget to subscribe, and please click the like button below. It helps
the algorithm on YouTube to push our videos up higher. I want to say thanks to Denise for allowing us to come and visit her. And thanks to Eula for taking me up there and her husband. And that's it for now. Until the next time. Appreciate you. Thanks.